So a very good evening, all my dear friends. So as all of you know that ultimately the day has arrived and those who were preparing for the Irdai examination, right? Assistant Manager examination for 2024. A very good news is for them, right? That Irdai has finally announced the date of the examination as there were a lot of confusion and a lot of negative news also from a lot of people that they will announce 3 days before the examination. A lot of the people are saying that they will announce 3 days before the exam and it can happen on 10th. So actually all those rumors have been wiped off and the examination date has been announced by the ADI. Right now the thing is finalized and your date of examination is on 6th of November. So no exam on October. So now you have plenty of time after your NABARD RBI also. You can prepare for this examination that is scheduled on 6th of November. And they have also given the good news is that they have also given the date of your mains examination that is on 21st of December. So there is lot of time so you can prepare well for mains as well, right? So this is very good news and this is positive news, and definitely it will fill you with lot of energy and positive enthusiasm to prepare for the AIRDAI 2024 examination. So this is very good news, and all of you preparing, keep on preparing with the thing. As you know that we have started with the thing in a very systematic manner. We are going on with very concise material and the efforts will be maximum with this. As you know that in phase 1 of the examination we are doing presently, we are doing the English test, we are doing the speed mathematics, we are doing the reasoning part. Along with that, the GA sessions are going on every week along with the notes. So this will definitely help you to crack the phase 1. Quant, reasoning and English is going to be very important because you have seen the phase 1 result of the RBA. Also English played a very important role in selection of many of the persons. So quant, reasoning, English, keep on practicing. We will be giving you shortly the practice sheets also along with the test. This is also inclusion in our mentorship program. You will get topic wise practice sheet to practice for the things along with the test series going on in our program. This is an addition that we'll be getting. Phase 2, right? Simultaneously, we are doing the insurance today. Class is scheduled for your ESI. Similarly, we have updated many of the notes of your management. So things are going well off as per the requirement. So my suggestion would be that start well. If you're giving RBI or NABARD, you can start your preparation after that also for the Irdai examination. So this is very good news. Apart from that, right, all the things are aligned, and this is highlight of our mentorship program that we are providing the notes, the classes, the series of tests for your prelims, the series of tests for your mains, the answer writing practices in paper and pen method, right? Everything is going. This is the schedule of tests. The tests are going on as per schedule only, and the classes also we are trying to align as per the schedule only. So we will keep up the pace in the coming days, right? Everything will be done and dusted for your examination. So if you want to download the overall, right, overall gist of this mentorship program for your ADI, you can download the overall through our website, that is www.c4scourses.in, or you can visit our Telegram channel also and download the overall module of this mentorship program from there itself. Apart from that, I would like to just show you, just hold on 1 minute. Yeah, so you can see the entire screen that this is just, if you want to go to our website, just you can visit c4scourses.in. You can just log into the portal and you can access our courses. You can see this is the course you will be getting in our curriculum. So the first section is all about the program and the schedule of tests. Then you will be getting the G1 classes and the GA, right? PDF notes to study that you will be getting. QRE test, QRE sectional test, QRE full length test, right? Everything is available. Then we'll be giving to you weekly assignment shortly with everything. Paper 1 descriptive English, we will have classes and we will have series of tests for your descriptive English also for the ADA examination over here. Then you will have economic and social issue impacting insurance. You can see we have updated most of the notes over here for your all the things that they have given in the syllabus. This is the paper 2 of the mains. Then we will be doing the insurance part. Till now, we have done all these classes in the insurance with a very effective notes and the way of teaching, right? Then we have also updated your management portion, all the management notes and the associated videos and the lectures and the notes. Then we will also be giving to you the resources for the Irdai, all the circulars of the Irdai that can be useful for your examination that will get in the resources section. Last but not least, once the phase 1 is over, you will be getting phase 2 mocks. All the schedule will be provided to you for the phase 2 mocks as well. So just with this information, I will end this short session. Please go through this mentorship. It's very cost effective. It costs only just 1500. Everything will be given to you in this. So you can start with the preparation. The things will be short, concise, to the point as our notes is off, right? Thank you. Bye-bye. Take care. All of you prepare well for the examination that is scheduled on your 6th of November. Bye-bye. Take care.